Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You already paired the AirPods. Now control volume directly. First, unlock your device and open Control Center so you can access the audio tile. Once done, tap the AirPlay icon to ensure audio routes to your AirPods Pro. This lets the volume slider adjust them specifically. Use short swipes to raise or lower sound. Subtle changes matter for in-ear devices. Make sure your device's physical volume buttons are active. They'll mirror the on-screen slider when AirPods are selected. Next, refine how volume behaves and why those settings matter. You can use Siri for precise percentage changes. This is handy when you can't touch your device. Also, route sound from an Apple Watch or Mac to get device-specific control. Once routed, their sliders set AirPods output. For hearing clarity, enable headphone accommodations or adjust EQ in settings. This changes perceived loudness without boosting raw output, which helps prevent distortion. Finally, test with different apps because some apps have independent volume. Finish by playing a known track and set comfortable loudness. Check both ears for balance. If levels are uneven or too low, reset the AirPods Pro by placing them in the case, closing the lid, then holding the setup button for about 15 seconds until the light flashes, then repair. Make sure ear tips are clean and seated. Debris changes perceived volume. If problems persist, update firmware and recheck audio routing. Reset usually fixes pairing glitches and volume inconsistencies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.